In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a disappearing cursor in Windows 10. Losing track of your cursor can be frustrating, but fortunately, there are several straightforward steps you can take to resolve this issue quickly. Follow along, and by the end of the video, you'll have your cursor back in action. First, let's try refreshing the display drivers, which can often nudge the cursor back into visibility. Simply press the Windows key, Control, Shift, and B all at once. This quick combo will effectively refresh your graphics driver, causing your screen to briefly flash. This might just be what your system needs to bring your cursor back to life. Next, if your cursor is still elusive, try pressing Ctrl, Alt, and Del together. This will take you to the security options screen. Often, the cursor will appear here, even if it's not visible elsewhere. Once you confirm that it's visible, press the Escape key to return to your desktop. This little maneuver might do the trick. Sometimes, a simple restart can solve a lot of issues, including this one. If you haven't rebooted your system recently, go ahead and give it a try. A restart can clear temporary glitches and refresh settings, potentially restoring your missing cursor. If you've tried restarting and the problem persists, let's take a look at the device manager. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog, then type dvmgmt.msc and press Enter. This opens the device manager, where we'll delve into your system's hardware devices. Once you're in the device manager, use the down arrow key on your keyboard to navigate to the section labeled Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Press the right arrow key to expand this category. Here, you'll see a list of your input devices, including your mouse or touchpad. Highlight your device and press Shift plus F10 to open the context menu. In the context menu, use your down arrow key to navigate to Update Driver and hit Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Updating the driver can fix issues caused by outdated or corrupted files. If updating doesn't resolve the problem, your next move is to uninstall the device. Again, use your arrow keys to select Uninstall Device and press Enter. After the device is uninstalled, restart your computer. Don't worry, Windows will automatically reinstall the driver during the startup process. By following these steps, you should have successfully restored your missing cursor. Remember, these steps not only help with restoring a hidden cursor, but can also improve the overall performance of your input devices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.